In this video we are talking about if Tron can continue this bullish move to the upside or if we see a move to lower levels. As you can see, we see this bullish momentum from Tron. We are clearly in a bullish structure with higher lows all the way and all the way higher highs. And as we go on the daily chart, you can also see this bullish structure. And in the last video we were at this prices right here, right in this demand zone. And I said that the chance is high if we are breaking this last high to the upside that we then can see higher prices for Tron, and that there's also the chance in this demand zone if we see a bullish reaction that we make a higher high right here, and if we are making this higher high with bullish momentum that we then can break to the upside and see this bullish explosion. I will show you now the clip from the last video. So if we are breaking this high to the upside, the chance that we are seeing much higher levels is very high. And right now we are in this smaller demand zone which caused this last push to the upside. So if we are seeing a bullish reaction right here, the chance is high that we are going to the upside, make a higher high, and if we are breaking this high, as I said, the chance that we are going to even higher levels is very high. And as you can see, after this video we saw this perfect bullish explosion to the upside. We saw this bullish reaction at this demand zone, saw this price increase, then we broke this last high and this supply zone to the upside, and then we saw this bullish explosion. From this demand zone to the top we saw a move about 32%. So congrats to everybody who took a trade here on Tron. But now the question is, can we continue our bullish move to the upside, or do we now see a sell-off to lower levels at Tron? So as we go back on the weekly chart, we can see this bullish explosion, which is a very good sign, but we didn't saw a retracement for a long time at Tron. So the chances there that we see a retracement for Tron, because in a bullish structure we always see higher highs and higher lows. So there's much room to make a retracement and a higher low, because the last real low on the weekly time frame was this candle right here. So we have much space for a higher low. But as you can see, we saw this extreme bullish momentum. So the chances there that Tron just goes to the upside. And if we see a move over this highs right here, then the chances high that we see even higher prices. And then we will come into the supply zone. And this supply zone is the last real resistance before the all-time high. So this supply zone will decide if we are going to the upside, or if we find a resistance right here, then the chances high that we see even lower prices. But as I said, if we're breaking this supply zone to the upside, then the chance is very high that we see even higher prices for Tron. And as we go on the daily chart again, we see this bullish structure, and right now we are building this range. So I think the chances high if we're breaking this range low to the downside, that then the chances high that we see even lower prices and we see a larger retracement. But if we now see a bullish reaction to the upside and breaking this high to the upside, then I think the chances high that we see even higher prices. And I think the chances higher that we are going to the upside, because we saw the strong bullish momentum all the way. And trends are very important, because trends are often holding longer than most people are thinking. So I think the chances high that we are going to the upside, but if we are breaking this low to the downside, then I think the chances high that we see a larger retracement. But if anything interesting happens for Tron, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on Tron, and join my free Telegram group where I share daily updates on the crypto market. Click on the first link at the video description. So all in all, we saw this crazy pump from Tron. We saw this move from this demand zone to this last high, then also broke this high to the upside and saw this strong bullish move. Congrats again to everybody who took a trade here on Tron. And right now this range is building, and I think the chances high if we're breaking this range low to the downside that we then see even lower prices. But I think the chances higher that we are going now to the upside, and if we're breaking this last highs to the upside, then I think the chances high that we see an explosion for Tron. And then we are coming into the supply zone, and this supply zone is the last real resistance before the all-time high. And here it will decide if we see a larger retracement or if we see a breakout to the upside. So this was it for this video. Comment down below which altcoin do you want to see in the next videos. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.